Hi, I'm Professor Frank. I created this YouTube channel to help out people struggling with chemistry. Chemistry for most people is very challenging and very frustrating. And most people don't enjoy it and don't even want to be in the class. A lot of people are forced to take it because of a pre-med major or an engineering major. It's usually a requirement for another major and you feel like it has nothing to do with what you're going to be doing in your career. And that might be true. But having said that, chemistry itself doesn't have to be challenging. Usually it's just an attitude going in that you already hate it and you're not going to be good at it. Number one, you're smart. Number two, you can do very well in the course. You can get an A or a B. It shouldn't be an issue. And that's why I created this channel. I think I can help people do better. I've been teaching chemistry at the college level for over 20 years. I know all the tricks. I know all the types of problems they're going to kind of try to get you with. But it doesn't have to be challenging. Introductory chemistry itself is a survey of all the types of different chemistries, like inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and physical chemistry. For instance, I have here some sea salt. There's a couple grams of this sea salt. And salt is sodium chloride, NaCl. And if we're just discussing sodium chloride and naming it, that's inorganic chemistry. Now, let's say, for instance, I take these roughly 2 grams of salt and I dissolve that into 200 milliliters of water. And it's not going to all dissolve at this moment, but it will eventually all dissolve. And let's say I measured out exactly 2 grams of salt into 200 milliliters of water. And that forms a specific ratio, and we would call that ratio a concentration. And that would be analytical chemistry. Now, if we talk about how it dissolved into the water, and we talk about the bonding between the water and the salt, that's physical chemistry, okay? So intro chemistry itself is just a very kind of superficial survey of all the different types of chemistry. It doesn't have to be hard. It's a little bit of math. It's a little bit of problem solving. It's a little bit of figuring out a puzzle and balancing equations, which is really a puzzle in itself. So it doesn't have to be challenging. It's very doable. And over the next few months, I'm going to be posting some lectures on intro chemistry that I think will be very helpful towards you. And we can interact. You can email me or you can comment on the videos and I'll try to respond to all the comments that I can. Thank you.